My name is Mohammed Hafiji and I'm a Senior Associate at Latitude Law. Another way of conducting a right to work check is by conducting an online right to work check. Now at this moment in time, unfortunately, not everyone can use this service. It's for those who hold a biometric residence permit, a biometric residence card, or those who have frontier permit worker permits. In order to conduct an online right to work check, an employer will have to go to the gov.uk website where they could check the status of the employee's status. This is done by obtaining a share code, which will be given by an employee, and also by providing their date of birth. Once you have managed to view the actual status, you have to check that the photo is the person that you wish to employ, and also check that they've got the relevant right to work in the UK without any restrictions. The third stage will be to retain evidence of the profile page from the online right to work check. This has to be retained throughout the employment period and at least 2 years after the employment ceases. If all the right to work checks through the online service is conducted properly, an employer will have a relevant statutory excuse. In the event that the check is not conducted properly and the worker is found to be working illegally, then there will be no statutory excuse for an employer. Way of conducting a right to work check in circumstances where an employee is unable to provide their visa status. This is due to an application which is pending with the Home Office or an appeal which is pending, is through an employer checking service. Again, this can be accessed via the gov.uk website. If an employer conducts the check through the employer checking service, they will have to wait for a positive verification notice from the Home Office, which can take on average 5 working days, and the positive verification notice will confirm whether the employee has a right to work. If the employee has a right to work and this check has been conducted properly, it will have a statutory excuse for a certain period of time. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact Latitude Law.